back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below and let's get on with this show. This is part 3 of the quarantine series. If you have not seen part 1 and part 2 yet, I will link them in the description box down below and you can check those out if you want to. There is a drawer in the kitchen that we are using as like a junk drawer, and I was thinking, instead of using it as a junk drawer, why don't I use it to organize tea? So I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me just take you out there. This is the junk drawer that we have. So, you know, it's just a typical junk drawer. We have like pens, box cutters, scissors, tape, like mostly stationery supplies. And then I was thinking of utilizing the space that we have here. We have some extra storage because all we pretty much have inside the cabinet is gaming tools and then the little stuff for my electric candle, and then it's not really much. And then we have some arts and crafts and stuff down here. So I was thinking, since most of the arts and crafts type of stuff is already in this drawer, how about I just organize it so that we can utilize the space above to put stationery supplies. So if you need pens, pencils, paint, markers, whatever you need, because we do have markers down here, everything is in this section, and then I'll have some space to free up in the junk drawer for my tea to be organized. So I'm going to head to the 99-cent store to see if I could find some organizational supplies. I'm sorry, I cannot get my thoughts together. As you can see, I am wearing the same 2-piece set that I wore in my wig video. It's just so comfortable, and I washed it and stuff, so I just was like, you know what, let me just put it on today. Now, I really love loungewear. I actually got this set from Fashion Nova, so I will probably link that down below in case you guys wanted to buy it yourself. Loungewear is the way to go. But let me get on my slides and head out the door. Is you ready? Are you ready? Whole squad ready. It's so freaking beautiful out here. Not too hot. It ain't too cold. The freaking breeze is nice. I can feel the air in my scalp. Like, I don't want to go back inside. But you know, gotta make sure everyone's safe. Like this, I don't know, I think it's kind of cheesy, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Like, there's a lot of things you can do with this, but there's like no way to open this. Like, how do you get this out when you put stuff inside? Like, I don't know. Let me get out of here. All right, you guys, so I am back from the store. I'm just gonna show y'all the baskets that I got to organize the stuff in here. I got this one for the stationery supplies. It pretty much just has like 3 different sections and then a larger section. So I felt like this was super perfect, especially since, am I in frame? I hope I'm in frame, but I thought it was perfect because they had like a matching set. But this is just a regular basket. There's no section, so I'm gonna use it for the gaming tech that's at the bottom of the shelf. So let me start doing that first, so I can just move all the stationery supplies from the kitchen drawer to the sectioned off basket to the, what do you call this? I don't know, what am I saying? What am I saying? Y'all know what I mean, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna move the stationery supplies from the drawer to here. I'm gonna clean it, organize it, so everything could be fresh and clean. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen and then organize the tea bags into these 4 little, I don't think 4 is gonna fit, maybe 3, because the drawer is pretty deep, but I'm not sure if it's this deep to fit everything. We'll see, we'll figure that out. Let me just start with this first. This is going to be a time lapse with some music playing in the background while I watch my show. Let's get started. As you can see, I pretty much just put all the controllers that we have for all the different game systems at the bottom. Everything is pretty much there. I took the Nintendo Switch remote from the other side and just put it in that jar. And then at the top, I just put all the stationery materials in there. So everything's pretty much sectioned off and easier to find. Everything is just not mixed up together like it was in the drawer. I like this way much better. It just looks way more better and it's more convenient. At the bottom, I just included the different color pens that we had from the drawer. There wasn't really much to even add into this drawer, to be honest with you. I have batteries and paper clips that I originally wanted to be with the stationery supplies, but I don't have another basket to include them in, so that can stay in there. Next, we are starting with the kitchen drawer. I was unsure if they would fit, but then when I started to actually measure them out and see that they would fit, I was actually really happy. Like, oh my gosh, yes, they're gonna fit, yeah! Here I'm just pretty much trying to measure out to see how the tea bag should lay. So you'll just see me playing around with those to try and fit them in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just continue on watching. These little projects made me so happy because they turned out exactly how I imagined them to turn out. So neat, so organized. This is how you kitchen drawer, okay? Okay guys, so right now it's about 4 o'clock. I got hungry, so I just heated up some pizza that I ordered. This is actually the Alfredo spinach pizza from Papa John's. I've always liked Papa John's, never more than Domino's. But y'all, I gotta say, lately I've been liking Papa John's a whole lot better than Domino's. I don't know. I just feel like the crust has been way more better. I don't know. It's just something about it. Like, it's super soft. I don't like hard crust, and I feel like lately Domino's crust has been very hard. But right now, that's what I'm eating, and I have my special drink from Starbucks. I'm just kidding. This is actually a dragon fruit strawberry infuser drink. I drank all of it earlier, so I just added some orange juice inside. But it looks so pretty in the sunlight. Actually, it looks like some special drink. I don't know. You know the secret menu drinks. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do laundry later or go to the supermarket. But it's for something. By the time I finish eating, it's probably gonna be like, I don't know, almost 5 o'clock. So I gotta decide now within the next couple minutes. But y'all gonna see which one I decide to go with. It is 6:12. I'm pretty sure the supermarket is closed by now because a few days ago, I don't know why, but I was just like procrastinating all day, and I left my house a little bit later in the day to go to the store for something, and a lot of the stores in my neighborhood was closed at 6 o'clock p.m. Mind you, I was at the house at like 7 something. So it was like, obviously stores would be closed early, but I didn't realize how early they would be closed. So I'm not even gonna rush to go to the supermarket right now to even check. So I'm just going to do this little bag of laundry. There's like a mixture of different colors and stuff, so I'm going to separate it and then just quickly wash it, take care of it, knock it out, so I don't have to worry about it later on. If the camera angle is like different from the last frame, it's because my camera just called me, so you know, I had to answer that call. But I've been using Gain in the scent Moonlight Breeze. Just something about the smell that I just like, and I've been using this one. And for the dryer sheets, I've been using the Gain Island Fresh. The dryer sheets are probably my favorite products when it comes to like cleaning clothes, because it just, I don't know, it just makes a difference. There's times where I've dried clothes and I didn't have any more dryer sheets, so I just dried the clothes just to get it out the way, and it makes a huge difference. Like, use your dryer sheets. Don't skip the sheets. Just please. But let me get this over with. So this video should be like about 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna cut it off here. The clothes are washing. Honestly, I just want to unwind and shower and just chill out and finish my show. But if you would like to see more organizing videos from me, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.